So remember, you somebody that want to work on depth, do me a favor, start making sure you maximize this. So I ain't gonna fake, I did decide that I want to go ahead and start off with squats. I want to get it over with. Like I told y'all before, squats is something I'm trying to work back up to. Haven't been doing them in a while, and I've been tremendously disappointed in a few lifts just because I know what I used to be able to lift. But we're gonna start off with the bar, nothing too crazy. Let's get it. Man, I love these. It's to a point, I ain't do these in so long, I fucking forgot how to re-rack. But it is what it is. But like I said, if you're somebody that wants to develop a little bit more power, want to develop a little bit more depth, box squats are a great way to go. Don't get me wrong, these type of box squats are maybe a little too low for you to actually go up as much as you want with the weight, but just understand one thing. You being able to crush a certain amount of weight this low, you'll be able to see how much you want to keep challenging yourself to go as low when you start increasing the weight. Let's get it. So now, we're gonna increase the weight. Generally, I ain't gonna figure I used to do like 2 sets of the bar, but I think we're 100% good. Let's get it. Whew, I ain't even feel that shit. So make sure your footing is nice and clean before you step out. So one thing I didn't do that I generally do, and I did on the set before, is I try to get the heels of my feet as close to the box squat as possible and then open my form. So that way you make sure you don't miss the box squat, because you definitely don't want to miss that motherfucker when it's low. But also, when you're doing box squats, do me a favor and make sure you're performing it as if you're doing a natural squat. Oh, I always want to say this too. Some reason why, sometimes when you hear me talking and it seems like I'm short of breath, be mindful. I'm talking as soon as I finish the set. Sometimes, you know, try to chop through it. Excuse me. Sometimes it is what it is. So I'm gonna do one more set of this. I actually do have squat shoes. So what I plan on doing today is I'm gonna do my legs first, and I'm gonna finish off with back. Like I said, I haven't been training, so my legs should be nice and fresh. And I'm excited because, once again, I get to wear a weight belt today. So we're gonna see what we got today. I'm gonna push it to the limit just a little bit. And as you can see, these don't have to be super low, because if you notice, I'm able to touch the box without even touching these. You know, each squat rack machine is gonna be different. So just make sure you understand what's your low. Test your low to see where this should be placed off just squatting with the bar when you first start. That way, when you go up with the weight, you already know that, okay, I'm 100% good. So don't wait to start increasing the weight to figure out how low this should be or how high this should be. Make sure you set that up from when you first start. That way, like I said, if it's a point, you're training by yourself, you can't get the weight up, you have these set up to make sure you're 100% good. So now I'm actually making sure my feet line up with the box so I don't miss it this time. And that way I can comfortably squat down. Can't even lie to you. I remember I was able to do 15 of these with ease with more weight. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of struggling today. But the struggles is a good thing. And I ain't gonna say I had enough rest, because I actually did work chest a couple days ago. I didn't get to train yesterday. But overall, feel good to hit some legs. And now going into the next set, I'm gonna load some more weight. I'm gonna crank out 10. And now I'm actually about to wear squat shoes too. When I go up, I wear the squat shoes. I can see the difference with me squatting with these too. But I'm gonna throw on them powerlifting shoes. And major difference. I'm gonna test 225 today too, just to see where we at, you feel me? Let's get it.